So people, today let us learn 5 new F2L tricks. Stick until the end of the video because the last trick will blow your mind. So this case is where these two blocks need to move diagonally into this slot right here. Now the standard solution will look something like this, which takes 12 moves. And that solves it, but actually there's a way that we can do it with only 6 moves, and that goes like this. The algorithm is up there on the screen. It goes like this, and that solves it, and that'll be the first case. And this is the case again, but fast. As you can see, it's a really fast, really reliable algorithm, so this one's worth learning for sure. Now here is where this case needs to be solved into its own slot, and the standard solution will look something like this. Which is a lot of moves and requires a rotation. Therefore, there's a better algorithm that goes like this. It is rotationless and uses less moves. And here's the algorithm again, but faster. And now this case, where it has to be solved into its own slot, the standard solution will look something like this. But that is very slow and requires a rotation. So instead, we can use this algorithm right here. And there it is again, but fast. And this case, where these two pieces needs to be solved into the slot at the back right here, the standard solution will look something like this. But that requires rotation, so we have a better option, and it goes something like this. And there is the case again, faster. And here, these two pieces needs to be solved into the back slot. Now, the standard solution will look something like this. Which is very slow and requires more than one rotation. There's actually a really good algorithm that can solve this rotationless, and it goes like this. And here is the algorithm again, but really fast. I hope you learned something new, and see you next time.